This process reboots your phone system without affecting your data. It is the most effective fix for a screen that is completely unresponsive. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button simultaneously for 10 to 30 seconds. Continue holding the buttons past any screen prompts until the screen turns black and the device restarts. Release the buttons when you see the phone's logo appear. If a force restart doesn't fix the issue, a downloaded app could be causing the problem. Safe mode starts the phone with only its essential software, temporarily disabling all third-party apps. Enter safe mode. The process varies by phone, but generally involves holding the power button. When the power menu appears on the screen, tap and hold the power off or restart option until a reboot to safe mode prompt appears. Confirm the reboot to enter safe mode. Test your phone. While in safe mode, check if the freezing and unresponsiveness have stopped. If they have, a third-party app is the culprit. Find the problem app, uninstall recently installed or updated apps one by one. After each uninstallation, restart your phone normally to see if the problem is fixed. Exit safe mode, restart your phone as you normally would. Lack of available storage can cause freezing and crashes. Clearing cache and old data can resolve performance issues. Clear app cache and data, go to Settings App, see all apps. Select an app you suspect is causing the problem, then tap Storage and Cache, clear cache. Repeat this for any problematic apps. You can also tap Clear Storage for a more aggressive reset, but this will delete the app's data. Free up space, delete unnecessary photos, videos, and files, or uninstall unused apps to create more storage space. You can also use a device care tool if your phone has one to optimize performance. If all other options fail, a factory reset will erase all data and settings, returning the phone to its original state. This should only be used as a last resort. Back up your data. Before resetting, back up all important photos, files, and contacts to your Google account or a computer. Reset from settings. If you can navigate your phone, go to Settings, System Reset Options, erase all data, Factory Reset. Reset using hardware buttons. If your phone is completely frozen, use the hardware buttons to enter recovery mode. Power off your phone. Press and hold the power and volume up buttons, the exact combination can vary by device, until the recovery mode menu appears. Use the volume buttons to navigate to wipe data/factory reset and press the power button to confirm. Confirm your choice and reboot the system once the process is complete.